siya, diba? Rollers. Rollers.
Naman po is yung advantages and disadvantages sa rubber. The first one is latex, which is natural rubber. The advantages of latex is inexpensive, mura, and with abrasion resistance, elastic mold rubber, high elasticity, good for casting wax. For the disadvantages, generally shrink and time consuming in making, not suitable for casting resin. Next po is polysulfide rubber. Polysulfide rubber is a type of synthetic rubber. The advantages of polysulfide rubber is very soft, stretchy, long lasting, and good for making molds. Also, the downside of the polysulfide rubber is offensive odor and higher cost than latex. Thank you po, sir.
Meron pa?
Meron pa po, sir. So, next po yung silicone rubber. At silicone rubber is the best case for casting resin and best properties of all mold rubbers. Ang disadvantage na naman is masyado siya mahal and sensitive siya pag nadidikat sa ibang mga substance. Another advantage ng silicone rubber is yung thermal stability niya. Pwede flexible sa hot and cold temperature. Next, ay yung polyurethane rubber naman is easy to use and di siya gano'ng kamahal kumpara sa silicone and sa polysulfides. Mataas silang abrasion, cut, and tear resistance. Ang disadvantage na naman is yung worst properties. Meaning ng worst properties is masyado siyang moisture sensitive and pwede magkaroon ng bubble kapag na-expose masyado sa moisture. Limited lang din yung shelf life niya pag binabuksan na, so nagkaaroon siya ng ambient moisture kapag na-present sa air. Next. Next naman po yung mga rubbers application.
Okay. So, saan ginagamit yung rubber?
I explain po ngayon, sir. Next. Yung anti-vibration mounts are made up of rubbers. Usually, combination ito ng rubber sa anong ibang materials, which makes it a good mount para ma-prevent yung masyadong pagyugyug ng mga machine. And napaka-effective niya para sa vibration absorption. Kinakabit siya sa machine para hindi mauga yung machine.
Yo. Next, yung rubber drive couplings are used extremely in many industrial applications, especially in it is used for the torsionally soft properties and damping effects on troublesome vibration. They are mechanical devices used to smoothly and safely transmit torque and power. Rubber couplings reduce effects on unwanted torsion, vibration, and high-frequency noises of the strong compact. Cost-effective drive shock cope. Next.
Saan ginagamit yung rubber spring?
Para sa mga para sa mga vibration po.
Vibration absorber, no? Vibration damper, shock absorber, di ba?
Apo.
Instead of metal, spring na rin na rubber. Yan. No? Kasi ma-absorb niya rin yung mga shock, no? Yung mga shock, yung mga load. Okay? Next.
Next po. Hindi, balik mo dyan ba? Rubber spring is a combined spring composed of rubber and a coil spring. It has an intermediate property between an air spring and an anti-vibration rubber mount, making it easy to combine with vibrating machine. Using rubber spring suspension can reduce the effects of shock and vibration, lower noise level due to rubber insulating properties, and reduce static friction. Rubber springs are long-lasting maintenance-free option with a variety of application and suspension systems, including trailers, off-road vehicles, construction equipments, and agricultural equipments. It can be used as a bushing, spacers, or a stopper. Next. Bearing. It is rubber bearing is defined as a device which permits constrained relative motion between two parts. The purpose of a bearing is to reduce frictions and wear between rotating parts, which come in contact with one another in any kind of mechanism. It is applied to a building or a bridge construction. It is a practical and cost-effective choice for seismic isolation. It is composed of laminated glass magnetic bearing pad on top and the bottom ceiling and connecting plates and lead plug inserted in the middle of the bearing, as shown in the picture. Next. Adhesive.
Yes,
Mga pandikit.
mga pandikit, di ba? Pati rugby. Yan.
Favorite ni Albi yan, sir.
Ha?
Favorite ni Albi, rugby.
Bakit?
Magkakaroon
Rugby yun, sir.
Gumagawa
Saka
ka
sa
sa
Albi.
Rugby nun? Rugby
Opo,
boy
sir,
pati
sir.
Albi.
Yes, sir.
Sabi na 7-Eleven chef, favorite na. Ano ba ba ako ng rugby sa lab? Sabi na 7-Eleven niya, chef.
Ayun, sir. Nagra-rugby, sir.
Tsaka po si Quartero, sir. Sumasayo sa 7-Eleven.
Yung rugby na.
Kasi Quartero siya, gumagamit ka ng at kasabuhay siya, sabu.
Lolo. Uy, naka-record tayo. Umayos. Dali.
Adhesives, also known as glue, cement mucilage, or paste, It is a non-metallic substance applied to one or both surface of two separate items that binds them together and resists their separation. Rubber adhesive is used for many purposes, both in home and manufacturing, and there are several different types. Styrene and acrylonitrile are both adhesive made of rubber and both typically used to join pieces of rubber. Some types of bonding compounds are made with rubber used as a sealant. Polyurethane and silicone can both be used to join a glass and metal, but are commonly help to seal pressure-sensitive joints. Yun lang po, sir. Thank you.